Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta Great Indian Asmer. Only ways. Boil water with generous salt, add pasta and stir for the first minute, then cook until al dente. Reserve a cup of pasta water and use it to loosen the sauce and bind spices. Finish with a controlled tempering of mustard seeds and curry leaves to infuse aroma and create a silky, cohesive finish. Enjoy mindful eating. Toast and bloom spices gently in ghee or oil to build a deep, savory base for this fusion pasta. Add onions and garlic, then tomatoes or yogurt for body. Finish with ground spices later to keep them vibrant. Use reserved pasta water to marry the sauce and pasta, stirring to create a glossy coating. Garnish with fresh cilantro, roasted cashews, and a final squeeze of lime for bright contrast and crunch. If this is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more videos you enjoy. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while cooking, especially during spicy steps, so keep a reliable bottle close by like the one shown here from Owala for easy sips between steps. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then get ready. Now let's get back to the video. Cook pasta to al dente so it holds texture when mixed with the sauce and spices. Roast cashews or peanuts separately for crunch, then toss them in at the end to retain bite. Fold pasta into the spiced sauce off heat and add reserved water a tablespoon at a time to reach a silky consistency. Top with fresh herbs and a small drizzle of ghee to elevate aroma and mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.